Hey, hi everyone. So this will be a quick tutorial on pipeline aggregation, and within pipeline aggregation I will be covering parent pipeline aggregation and sibling pipeline aggregation. So let's get started. So parent pipeline aggregation. So the problem which I am trying to solve is find me total sales group by order date. This you would have seen in my previous videos. This is aggregation problem. So I want to do total sales grouped by order date, but after that I want to see the daily running count of the total sales. So on a daily basis, give me the total, like day 1 some amount, day 2 then add those 2 days, and day 3 add previous 3 days, and day 4 add last 4 days. So first I perform a regular aggregation. I want to group. So I'm doing a date histogram, and I'm doing interval based on the order date, and interval is day. So this is the first part, and next I take that after I group by order date, I can perform a some aggregation, and which will be based on the total bill amount. This is the taxable total price, which is the bill amount, and for every day give me the total. So this will just give you group and or bucketize for every day what is the total sales. But now if I want to do the third thing, right, this is the third part actually. So third part says the total sales accumulated on a daily basis. So this is the last thing, total sales accumulated. I can call whatever I feel like. Cumulative sum is a kind of pipeline aggregation, and you have to give field buckets path and total sales by date, and this should match exactly here. So for every day, right, it has calculated total sales, and then finally it will do a cumulative sum on all the days and give me the like total running count for every day. So it will keep adding the day, current day and previous days all together. So this is the total. So we call it pipeline aggregation because as you see, there's an aggregation, there's a nested aggregation, and the final pipeline aggregation is performed inside the last nested aggregation, because it's dependent on the previous one. So this is why we called it pipeline aggregation. So I'll take this query. So here you have the documentation as well. The example is similar to something which I have shown just now. So you can go through the documentation. So I come here, I take this particular query, and I can paste in Kibana console. So if I take total sales accumulated value, copy it and perform a search. So you will see the first date, total sales by date and total sales accumulated is exactly the same, because this is a day 1, and next day you will see it is 21,026 something like that, because it has added the previous 2 days. So next day it was 10,000 and it has added last 2 days. And same if I move on, right, it will be like 31,000, 41,000. So it will keep adding, it will keep going up. So this is like total sales accumulated. So okay, moving on. So next is sibling pipeline aggregation. So this problem is slightly different. So I am saying first part is same, so I will not explain that anymore. So I am saying that now after you do all the things like total sales group by order date, tell me the maximum sale which is made till date. So give me one number which is the maximum among all the days. So for example, you have 100 days, so just give me the maximum sale made till date. So okay, so again same thing, sales per order date. This is same as before. Total sales by date, this is also same. But then this is the last part which will give me the final answer. So here max sale made till date. So this is whatever I call like, but max bucket is one of the pipeline aggregation type of pipeline aggregation. So this name should match. This is like a keyword, and then I have to give buckets path, which is a keyword, and here these two, right, sales per order date. Sales per order date is my here. So this should match exactly. And then there is a angle bracket and total sales by date. So total sales by date. So this should match. So this format is similar, something specific to like Elasticsearch, and we call this pipeline aggregation because you will see this part is separate. This is not inside. So this is like a nested aggregation. Then you come out and you perform the final aggregation, and this will give you just one single answer. So okay, so I just this is the documentation. You can take a look. It will be something similar but not same. Okay, I'll just copy the snippet of code and come to Kibana console and run the query. So if I run the query, I can straight away go to this part, max sale till date, and search for that. So I have there's only one occurrence, like 1 out of 1, and this is the max sale, $13,560. So if I take this particular amount, right, and search here, so you will see 2 times because it has to match one of the days. So one of the days this was the maximum sale, so it has given maximum. So you will see others are all less than this amount. So this is the max sale till date. Okay, that's, yeah, 13,560. So that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.